Hi, welcome to another video. This video is a continuation of the previous VLOOKUP function. We'll try a different scenario here. So earlier we tried to find out the VLOOKUP function here, but if I want to find out a job title or department or a business unit, we can find out. For example, for this particular user ID, I got the full name. So what if I want the job, role, department and the business unit? So here I will do the same, VLOOKUP and then ID, then look for the job title. I'll do one thing because I know that I need the answer till business unit. So let me select the whole range and then comma, column index this time is going to be the third column, and then comma, approximate match or exact match, in this case exact match, and false. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock this one by pressing the F4 key because the ID is going to lock, and the table range also I'm locking. And then let me scroll all the way down and then changing the column number to 4 to bring the department, and also 5. Okay, so now I got this information. Now if I change the ID to something else, E04533, yeah, so I'm getting the information of all the users here. Now let me copy some data from here. Okay, and we assume that one of my colleague gave me this information and saying that these are the IDs of employees. Could you please give me the name of the employees in here? Yeah, because I have the original data is with me, so I could give them the data. Imagine this is not just a small data set. I mean the data is too many rows are there, so it is really difficult to find out the name manually and enter it here. It's really difficult. So in this scenario I could use VLOOKUP function to do that. Equal to VLOOKUP. What is my lookup value? What I'm trying to find out, I'm looking for this value in where. So this formula bar is common when we switch from this Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. You can still see the same. Now let me just select the range. So here what happened, in a single quotation they pick the name of the Excel sheet, then the name of the sheet. First is the name of the file, that is the file name, and second is the name of the Excel sheet. Then the single quotation is closed, then exclamation, then the absolute reference of the table range. Okay, now I put a comma and then 2, that is the second column, then comma, false. You can easily write 0 or 1. If it is false, you can put 0 and close it. And now you can scroll all the way down because it is already locked. The table range is not going to move. Okay, we can randomly check 3838. Okay, let me go and find out who is Madeline Walker. In this case, yeah, that's the same person. So this is how I can copy the data from another sheet, and I need to make sure that this information is completely accurate, no mistake. The same ID must be there in my Excel sheet. And before we share this information back to my friend, you know what happened. So the formula is still there. I don't want formula to be there when I give it to my friend. So what I can do is select the range and copy. So what happens when you copy? When you copy, it copies the data as well as the formulas, and if there is any format or any cell format, number formats, everything is going to copy. and I wanted to paste it. When I wanted to paste it back, Excel give me multiple options. I said that when I wanted to paste it back, I wanted to paste only the values. Values means what you see on the cell is the values. That means I don't want the formulas. So paste values is the second option here, and it give me three options. The value means he just copy just the values. This one copy the values plus the number format. Number format means if there is any dollar sign or any percentage sign is there, it keep the same number formats. And if there is any cell format like colors, table, the borders or any other things are there, it give me that. But currently I don't have any number format or any cell format. In this case I need only the data, that means the values. Just click the values. Now if I click here, you can see that there is no formula here. Now I can send it back to my friend. Okay, or people will use it for hide the formulas if you wanted to hide it, or better, don't keep the formulas in the cells if you are sending it to somebody. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.